Hello friends, I welcome you all in another video from Science Academy, and in this video we are going to solve the section C from IIT JAM 2020 from biotechnology subject. This is in continuation of the previous two video where I have already solved section A and section B, whose link are coming on this I symbol of this video. From by clicking on that you can see, or also the link of those videos I will provide in the description box. You can see from there also. Now in this video I will discuss mainly section C. I will request you all to kindly see this video till the end so that you can understand the concept applied for solving the question in detail. So friends, let's start. Question number 41, it is telling that generation time of E. coli is 20 minutes. If there is a 10 to the power 6 E. coli present in an exponentially growing synchronous culture, then average time in a minute required to obtain 4 into 10 to the power 6 E. coli cells will be. Okay, so we know that E. coli do the division by binary fission, and for this there is a applicable of one formula where nt is equal to n naught into 2 to the power n, where n is generation time. So now putting the value of nt, which is 4 into 10 to the power 6, is equal to n naught, which is initial number of cells, which is 10 to the power 6 into 2 to the power n. So this value will be cancelled out. So 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4, is equal to 2 to the power n. So this base will be cancelled, so power will be n is equal to 2, means generation time is 2. Now for one generation the time given is 20 minutes here. So for two generation, 2 into 20 means 40 minutes. So answer will be 40 minutes. Okay, moving to next question. 44, the truth table of logic gate is given below. So these are the input, these are input A and B and output. So we have studied in, there are gate, logic gate, which are OR type, AND type and AND type. So what is in AND type? It is a AND type. What is in AND type? Output will be multiplication of A into V and opposite of that result. So inverse of A into B. 0 into 0, answer will be 0, and opposite of 0 will be 1. 0 into 1 will be 0, opposite of that will be 1. 1 into 1, answer will be 1, but opposite of that will be 0. So 1 into 0, the final product will be 1 into 0 will be 0, and opposite of that will be 1. So x will be 1. Okay. So moving to the next question, 45, consider the two particles each mass of 20 gram. The first particle is moving with a speed of 10 meter per second along one dimensional track in a positive x direction and collide with the second particle at rest. Assume the collision is elastic, the speed of first particle. Okay, so it is asking first particle. So we know that m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m plus m2 into v. When two particle moving, okay, or resting, when they collide together, their momentum always conserve. So momentum of first particle, momentum of second particle, after combining the final momentum. So m1 v1, so initial mass is 20 gram, velocity how much it is, 10, so we will multiply it by 10 plus 20, in second particle is in rest, so its value will be 0. m1 plus m2 will be 20 plus 20, and this will be the final velocity. Now this value will be 200, this value will be 0, is equal to 40 into v. So v is equal to 200 divided by 40, 5 meter per second. That's the velocity of second particle. But first particle will be 0, because after collision, if one particle P is moving and another one P2 is 0, after collision the P2 will start moving and P1 will become rest. Okay, so answer will be 0. Velocity of first particle and velocity of second particle will be 5 meter per second. So here asking it is for first, so I am writing 0. Next question, in the following reaction, the value for delta H, delta S at temperature this much is this given. So what will be the delta G? So formula for the delta G is delta H minus T delta S, where T is a temperature, S is a entropy, delta H is a enthalpy. So enthalpy value is given how much? Minus 13.7 minus temperature is 25, which is 273, plus 25 because we have to take in Kelvin, into delta S, which is minus 16. So after doing the calculation, its value will be minus 8.932. So moving to next question, the volume in ml required to prepare 350 ml of 1x buffer in 50 time 50x concentration. Okay, so here it is telling that concentrated solution how much? 50 times 50x, and we have to do 1x. So how much concentrated it is? 50 times. How much we have to make? Total 350. So we will divide this value with 50 times dilution. So it will be 7 ml. So we have to take 7 ml from stock and remaining 343 ml of distilled water we will add. So answer will be 7 ml. Moving to next question, the compound microscope has objective with linear magnification of 10. In order to achieve its final magnification of 1000, the angular magnification of eyepiece. So we know that magnification is objective as multiplication to the magnification done by eyepiece. So if it is magnification is of 100, objective it is 10, so eyepiece, for eyepiece it will be 100 divided by 10, so this value will be 10. Moving to next question, the decimal reduction DRT of a bacterial culture is 1 minute. If a suspension of bacterial culture contains initial population of 10⁶ cells, then the time required to reduce the number of bacterial to 10 by heat treatment is. Okay, so there is a formula for this D value calculation. Time is equal to D multiplied by log of, not minus, log NT, where T is a time, D is a reductional time, N naught is the initial number of cells and NT is the final number of cells. So D value, T is equal to D value is 1 minute, log N naught is 10⁶ minus log, how much it is telling? Up to 10. So final number of cell is 10. So this value will be how much? T is equal to 1, log 10⁶ will be 6 minus 1, log 10 value will be 1, so 6 minus 1, 5. So answer will be 5 minutes. Moving to next question, the medium of Y in the following data. Okay, this is easy question. So serial 1, it is, so first we have to arrange this in ascending order. So first arrange this, so it will be how much? Starting with 10, then 12, then 14, then 16, then 20, then 22. So now how much this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how we calculate median? Total number is 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. So from starting 3, 1, 2, 3, this number, and from below 1, 2, 3, this number. So we have to take final average of 14 plus 16 divided by 2. So its value will be 30 divided by 2. So its value will be 15. Answer will be 15. Moving to next question, the variable number of tandem VT, V and T are locus of 15 different allele, the number of genotype possible in the population of India. So we can calculate total 15 allele are there, and they are asking how many genotype will be formed. So genotype is a combination of two allele. So suppose there is a 15 allele, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15 allele. So using any two will form one genotype. So this one can combine with all this. So this will combine with itself as well as rest of this. So there will be 15 combination. Then second will combine with rest. So it will form 13, 14 plus. So answer will be, how we can calculate, 15 plus 14 plus 13 plus 12 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So final answer will be 120. Moving to next question, the energy of electron for the hydrogen is how much? 13.6 electron volt. The energy required to move electron from ground state to first excited level. Ground state, which is 1, and then this will go to the excited state, second. So this energy for excited state we calculate 13, general formula is 13.9 divided by n square, where n is a number of state, ground state, or if ground state then n will be 1, if first excited state n will be 2. So 13.6 divided by 4. So this value will be, it will minus, so it will be minus how much? 3.4 electron volt, and in the ground state it will be minus 13.4. So how much difference will be there? Minus 13.4 minus 3.4. So its value will be around 10. So answer will be 10. Okay, moving to next question. The enzyme catalyze first order reaction, the substrate conversion flow in exponential pattern such as 80% of the substrate is converted into product converted in 10 minutes. The first order rate constant of the reaction round to the 3 decimal. Okay, so they are asking rate constant. We know that formula, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log substrate, which is A, and A minus X. Suppose substrate is this and product, so initial it is A, it is 0. At T is equal to some time, at T is equal to 0, this is A concentration and product will be 0. When T is equal to T, then A minus X, so X will be appear as a product, so it will be A divided by A minus X. So for K is equal to 2.303, T will be how much time it is taking? 10 minutes to convert 80% of substrate into product. So initial it was how much? 100%, 100, and how much 80% of substrate is converting into product. So remaining will be 20%, right? 100 minus 80, so it will be 20. So this value will be 5. So 2.303 divided by 10 into log 5. So after this calculation, the answer will be 0.16. So hope so this video is going to helpful for your preparation for the IIT JAM or different kind of entrance examination. Kindly do share with your friends also. We will meet in the next video with solution of certain other entrance examination. Thanks a lot for watching.